Hi guys, tonight I'm gonna talk about 11 super vegan food for your healthy skin. Let's begin. The first one is the berries. You have different types of berries. You have blueberries, blackberries, raspberries and strawberries and so many types of berries are there. It's all highly packed with antioxidants. Alright, so it also contains potassium and iron and not forgetting the vitamin C. And the next one is avocado. And if you are a vegan and if you want a high amount of fat, then this one is the choice. But high amount of good fat in it, so you can have plenty of it. Alright, and the third one is everybody knows about green tea. It is a good antioxidant and it has got anti-inflammatory property and it has got antibacterial property also. Apart from that, it will give very good sun protection and it will moisturize your skin and it will improve the elasticity of your skin and it is considered as having a good anti-cancerous property. Okay, so let's check the next one. Next one is the soy. This soy contains isoflavones and it improves skin elasticity and also it will improve dryness and the wrinkles. Your skin will become smoother and it also has got good sun protective action. Okay, and the next one is tomatoes. Tomato contains mainly 3 acids. This one is malic acid and ascorbic acid is vitamin C and also it contains citric acid. All are very good for your skin. You can apply on the face, you will get peeling effect. Another important factor for tomato is you take a raw tomato and fry it in a little bit of oil and have it. Tomato contains lycopene which has got very high antioxidant property and compared to vitamin C, lycopene in this way has got 100 times more potency than vitamin C. Alright, so it reduces the wrinkles and also because of the acid containing in it, so it will help in the open pores and even blackheads. So you can apply raw tomatoes on your face if you have very simple acne. And then next one is the broccoli. And if you are a vegan and if you are looking for a good high amount of protein, then this is the one. Alright, so you add broccoli in your diet. And apart from high protein, it also contains zinc, vitamin C and lutein. And next one is our lettuce. Lettuce contains high amount of vitamin A, C and it will improve your blood circulation. And also it will give good sun protection and it will give you younger looking skin and romaine lettuce is considered as having very good anti-cancerous properties. Remember that. And the next one is dark chocolate. It's my favorite. Let me have one. Alright, if you don't mind. So this I've got cocoa and flavanol. It improves your skin thickness, it will give firm, thick skin and also texture also will be improved. It will give you good hydration. Apart from that, it will give good sun protection. So have this go out to the sun. Don't forget to wear the sunscreen, okay? Then next one is sweet potatoes. This contains high amount of carbs, packed with carbohydrates. But it's a good carbohydrate, that is complex sugar. It's not a simple sugar, so that you can have more. You can replace your rice with this. Okay, it contains beta carotene. It has got very good anti-aging property. Contains vitamin C, E, and also it will give glow and supple skin. And the next one is the sunflower seeds. I don't take this much, but most of my friends who are vegan, they prefer this. The vitamin E, vitamin C also is there in this, and magnesium and selenium. It will give young looking skin. I've seen people who is on these has got very good skin. Alright? And the last one is another favorite of mine, walnut. This also contains fatty acid, that is omega fatty acid, which is very good for your skin and hair. And also it contains zinc, vitamin C, selenium, and good amount of protein. And that's all for tonight. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, like, comment and share. And please comment in the comment box. People are calling me over the phone congratulating me. But I prefer you comment in the comment box. That will help us a lot. Okay? I'm signing off. Please take care of yourself and your family. Be safe. God bless. And I'll have one more bite of this. Okay? I'm sorry.